So first on the benefits of black castor oil is that it comes from the castor oil plant. It's cold pressed and extracted from the seeds. Castor oil for hair helps to rapidly moisturize, thicken, and strengthen it. Because of the vitamins and nutrients in black castor oil, it is recommended to use on bald spots because it works very fast to help with rehair growth. So this is the brand of black castor oil I'm using. You can use this not just on your hair, but you can also use this on your cuticles and dry skin. And it has peppermint essential oil in it, which is good because I'm going to be using this as a scalp treatment as well. You have to heat up this oil in order for it to be effective. So I'm going to fill this bowl with a little bit of water and heat it in the microwave. My water is hot to touch. I'm going to go ahead and put my oil in here. If you have a smaller bowl, it's just going to float. Make sure you don't fill the bowl with water all the way, and you're gonna leave it in here to heat up for about 1 minute. While you're about to do this treatment, make sure that your hair is nice and evenly brushed out. So once your hair is brushed out, I'm just gonna use this part of the brush to section it off so I can start to apply it throughout my scalp. Just pour it in your hand by rubbing it onto the hair like this. All throughout my whole scalp. So the next thing you want to do is take whatever's left. Just start by this. Just take your time and make sure you can get it throughout the whole hair. You're going to tie up your hair and you're going to put a plastic cap, and if you don't have a plastic cap, use and recycle a plastic bag. I've been doing this for a long time. It works just as well. Make sure that it's evenly covered in the back. Then you're going to twist it in the front really tightly. Hair dryer, and you're going to put it on high heat. Then just blow dry this for 2 to 3 minutes. The main thing is that when you are blow drying the hair and applying more heat to the hot oil treatment, it's going to penetrate into the hair more and it's going to work a lot better. And how you know your hair is ready and the hot oil treatment has worked is you feel the cap of your hair. It's going to feel humid underneath the plastic bag or the plastic cap for 30 minutes to an hour. And then you're gonna wash it. And this is the result from the black castor oil before I do anything else to my hair. It's actually pretty shiny and it feels really soft. I feel like it is stronger after one use. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and straighten out my hair. So I straightened it out. So this castor oil did work really well. My hair feels very thick and very strong. So thumbs up to this. I wanted to try to use some of these clips. I don't know, what do you think? I feel like it just looks good on one side. So I'll ride out this style of my hair straight for about 3 to 4 days. 4 days if it goes good, but if not, I usually wash my hair on the 3rd day. And yeah, I try to make it last as long as possible. This was the brand that I use. It's Jamaican Mango and Lime. They sell the original black castor oil, but they also have different ones with different essential oils. The one I used was the Mango and Lime black castor oil with peppermint. I do really recommend you guys try this out if you are trying to grow out your hair or you want to have more regrowth in your scalp or bald spots. This really works. It's super effective and I can't wait to keep consistently using it to see more hair growth.